Hello, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm going to take you through where to find your research when it comes to locating critical analysis for your paper. So, in most cases, you will have access to the library, so you can search our catalog for books relating to your topic. We also have books just specifically with author biographies, and then the criticisms as well. We also have access to many databases. So I'm going to take you through one by one with the Bloom's Literary Reference, EBSCOhost, and Gale to locate some different options for your critical analysis. So to access these, you will need to go to your WebGrades portal and go to the links page. First one I will show you is Bloom's. Bloom's is the icon with the stack of books and the ink and quill. You're going to click on the one that says Bloom's Literature Online. Okay, so in here you can search for your specific person or your specific title that you are looking for. When you look for your author, you might find different pieces about biographies or criticisms that don't relate to the specific story, poem, or novel that you are using. So in most cases, you will need to use the criticism section. Depending on your theme, some of these will work, some of these might not. This is just one of the many options to use as a search. So when you click one open, you will kind of search through. You can use Command F to search for your specific theme to see where it's mentioned, and then you can decide if you want to use this or not. When creating your citation, you will watch, or if you need help creating your citation, you'll watch the next video that is posted on the website. The next option is EBSCOhost. So that is that blue and green circle. Because I'm doing this at home, it's making me log in. Check with your teacher if this is something you're doing at home for the username and password. And then you will scroll down to where it says Literary Reference Center Plus. This should be the fourth option. In here, you will do the same thing. You're going to type in either the title of your short story, your poem, your book, or your author. And I'm going to hit search. So in this case, you will go down to the side to select literary criticism if that's what you need. And then that will narrow down the results. So when you click into this, you will be taken to the page that says detailed record. And then to see the actual article, you will click HTML or PDF full text, and then you will be able to read the article. Again, use that Command F to locate your keywords. The last option is Gale. So if you remember, if you are locating a short story or poem, we use the Gale ebooks to help us do that. So in that case, you would do the same search, but you have a whole list of criticisms in here. Each one will be by an individual person. So each one counts as a different source when it comes to the different authors. So make sure you check out the next video to see how those are cited in here. But each person will count as a different source. The other option inside Gale is the Literature Resource Center. So one thing you have to be careful with when using the Literature Resource Center and one of our ebook collections at the same time is that it's not the same article. Okay. So when you search for your short story or poem or your novel, you should see a literature criticism section come up, as well as a few different options. You can see what works best in the case of your search. And I don't know that my search term was correct, so I'm going to try searching again and see if I can find my specific person. Okay, and in some cases you might not find anything that comes up for your short story or your poem. So I'm going to try something else and have better luck with it. So again, you just need to double check that the author or person where it's coming from is not the same, and that the words aren't the same. If we figure out that they are, you will lose points for not having enough citations for your assignment. Okay, so those are the different options for your research. Again, watch the next video and I will take you through the steps of creating the citations for that research.